sweet.
Yeah.
Very, very.
Did he let you pet him at all?
Yeah.
Okay, gotcha. What boy? Come on back. He's like, I'm a little apprehensive about you. Hi. Good boy. You're so sweet. I don't want to get leashed. Who did this? It's terrible.
That's awful. I was driving out
Like,
going to the post office and I was like, what in the...
yes. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Good boy. That's a good doggy. That's a good doggy. Good boy. Right. Come on. Come here. Come here, buddy. I have to use my snare. No, you're fine. Yeah, he's comfortable with you, so you're definitely a good thing.
Make any sudden moves or
Good boy. Come here, bud. Good boy. Good boy. See? Got a collar on him. Good boy. That's a good boy. Good boy. I'm sorry, buddy.
You're so beautiful.
Come on, I'll get this off on the truck, okay? Come on. Good boy.